I'm Aurora and today I'm going to teach you the colors in Italian. So let's start. The first color is red, that's rosso. And by now you're experts in double letters, so rosso has a double S. Then there's blue, like my t-shirts, that's blue. Verde, that's green like grass. Giallo, like this flower, that's yellow. And it has double L. Bianco, that's white. Nero, like my mic, that's black. And my favorite color, that's pink, rosa. And let's revise. Rosso, red. Blu, blue. Verde, green. Giallo, yellow. Bianco, white. Nero, black. Rosa, pink. Now, if you want to revise by yourself, obviously with someone else if you want, you can find the link in the comments box below to print out and cut out and make your own cards to practice. And remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Put a thumbs up if you liked the video. Bye!